Today, we are diving into the Smart #1, the first generation model that has been turning heads since its launch in 2022. This compact electric crossover, born from a collaboration between Mercedes-Benz and Geely, promises a blend of urban agility and modern tech. Priced starting at around £35,000 in the United Kingdom, it appeals to city dwellers seeking an eco-friendly ride with a premium feel. On the positive side, the electric powertrain delivers impressive acceleration, with the base model offering 268 horsepower for a 0 to 62 mph sprint in under 7 seconds. This makes it a joy to drive in bustling UK cities like London or Manchester, where quick overtakes are essential. That said, the ride can sometimes feel firm over potholed British roads, which might not suit everyone looking for ultimate comfort. Now, let us address one of the most frequently mentioned weak points: software glitches. Many owners have encountered issues with the infotainment system, such as frozen screens or unresponsive voice commands, which can be frustrating during daily commutes. These glitches often require over-the-air updates to fix, but not all problems resolve quickly, leading to trips to the dealership. Range loss is another common complaint that surfaces in owner forums across the UK. The official figures promise up to 273 miles on a single charge for the standard battery. But real-world driving in colder British weather can reduce this by 20 to 30%. Factors like motorway speeds and heavy use of heating exacerbate the issue, leaving some drivers anxious about making it to the next charging point. Battery management has been praised for its reliability, with minimal degradation reported in the first few years of ownership. However, some users note that the range estimator on the dashboard can be overly optimistic, leading to unexpected low battery warnings. This inconsistency might deter potential buyers who prioritize predictability in their electric vehicle. The car's handling is a strong suit, offering nimble steering and a low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement. It corners confidently on winding UKB roads, making it fun for enthusiastic drivers. Nevertheless, wind noise at higher speeds can intrude into the cabin, slightly diminishing the premium experience. Build quality issues, though rare, include reports of creaky interior panels after a few thousand miles. These are often minor and covered under the 3-year warranty, but they can annoy owners expecting Mercedes-level refinement. Positively, the exterior paint holds up well against the UK's salty winter roads, resisting chips and corrosion better than some rivals. Another weak point revolves around the app connectivity, where software glitches cause delays in remote preconditioning or location tracking. This can be inconvenient for busy professionals who rely on these features to warm up the car on chilly mornings. On a brighter note, once connected, the app provides detailed energy usage insights, helping owners optimize their driving habits. Range anxiety is amplified in rural areas of the UK, where charging infrastructure is still developing. Drivers in places like the Scottish Highlands might find the actual range fall short of needs for longer excursions. However, for city-based users, the compact size and easy parking make it an ideal daily companion. The safety suite is comprehensive, with automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist performing reliably in tests. Euro NCAP awarded it 5 stars, giving peace of mind on busy motorways. That being said, some owners feel the adaptive cruise control can be jerky due to software tuning, requiring manual overrides. Maintenance costs are generally low, as expected from an electric vehicle, with no oil changes or exhaust repairs to worry about. Regenerative systems reduce brake wear, potentially saving hundreds of pounds over time. However, if software issues persist, diagnostic visits to authorized smart service centers can add up, especially outside major cities. The premium audio system, available on higher trims, delivers crisp sound that enhances long drives. It integrates well with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto once the initial glitches are ironed out. Conversely, base models might feel underwhelming in this department, prompting upgrades that push the price closer to £40,000. Visibility is excellent thanks to the large windows and slim pillars, aiding in tight urban maneuvers. Rear parking sensors and a 360-degree camera further boost confidence. Yet the sloping roofline can limit headroom in the back, which might not suit families with teenagers. Energy efficiency is a highlight, with the Smart #1 achieving around 4 miles per kilowatt-hour in mixed driving. This translates to low running costs, especially with off-peak home charging at about 5 pence per mile. However, rapid charging at public stations can cost up to £20 for a full top-up. which adds up for frequent travelers. Some owners report minor electrical gremlins, like malfunctioning door locks tied to software updates. These are usually resolved via resets, but they highlight the car's reliance on digital systems. Positively, the over-the-air update capability means improvements can come without a workshop visit. The resale value looks promising, as demand for used electric vehicles grows in the UK amid rising fuel prices. Early models are holding about 80% of their value after 2 years. Still, potential buyers should check for any outstanding software recalls to avoid inherited issues. In terms of customization, the Smart #1 offers fun color options and wheel designs that stand out on UK streets. The Brabus variant, priced around £45,000, adds sporty flair with more power. However, this extra performance can further impact range, making it less ideal for efficiency-focused drivers. Warranty coverage is solid, with 8 years on the battery ensuring long-term peace of mind. This is a big plus compared to some competitors with shorter terms. On the downside, parts availability can be spotty in remote UK areas, leading to longer wait times for repairs. The community around the Smart #1 is growing, with online groups sharing tips on maximizing range. This support network helps new owners navigate early teething problems. That said, the lack of a widespread dealer network might frustrate those outside urban centers. Overall, the infotainment system's voice recognition works well for hands-free calls, reducing distractions. It supports natural language commands effectively once updated. Nevertheless, integration with third-party apps can sometimes lag, requiring patience from tech-savvy users. For eco-conscious drivers, the zero-emission driving is a major draw, contributing to cleaner air in polluted cities like Birmingham. The car's small footprint also means lower road tax and congestion charge exemptions in London. However, the initial purchase price might be a barrier for budget buyers, despite available grants. In conclusion, the Smart #1 suits urban professionals or small families in the UK who prioritize style, tech, and efficiency over long-range capabilities. It is perfect for those commuting short distances in cities, where its agility and low costs shine, but less ideal for frequent long-haul travelers due to range limitations and software quirks. If you value a fun compact EV with premium touches, this could be your match, provided you are prepared for occasional digital hiccups. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.